This is a short clip to show you how to change some of the default settings for Paperlike processing. First of all, we're going to look at the Decision tab within Customisation. So first of all, from the home page, click on the Customisation tab, and there you'll see three more tabs, and we're going to look at Decision, which is the one it opens on. So first of all, you can see here we've got some decision offer defaults. So these are where we can enter default offer codes. So for example, these are all to do with the fee statuses, and if we want to include an offer code that automatically includes the fees for a course, we can put whatever the offer code would be in here. And then click the store button, and then that would default that offer code into any applications from EU applicants. This one I change it for the home, Ireland, overseas, and so on. At the moment we don't have any defaults in, so they're currently all blank, so I'll cancel that. So next, further down the screen, we've got the diarised defaults, and here you can see we can set default diarised dates. So the first one here is showing that the default date for diarising is 14 days. So the date when somebody tries to diarise a record will automatically show 14 days from today's date, and the maximum diarised date, which is 180. They're then repeated again lower down. Not entirely sure why, but we do need to update both of them just to make sure that they're right. Any changes that you would make to that, just click store and they'll be stored. And next on the screen, you can see we've got criminal conviction codes. You can see here there's 8 records. We're currently seeing 5 of those. If I change that to 10 on that drop down, I can now see them all. You can also use the search box if you needed to. You could search by the code that you're looking for. So these codes don't really give us any detail, because that's not required at this point, but it does show which conviction codes allow an offer and which don't. If it's a Y, it will allow an offer to be made on the application. If it's an N, it won't until a senior officer has assessed it and amended the code accordingly. So this would be used to change whether an offer can be made or not, and it can be used to add an additional code just by clicking add, entering the details in and storing. If we popped that in, then you'd then see another entry at the bottom here. Click store and any changes you've made would be stored. And that's how to update the defaults in the Decision tab of Customisation.